So hey guys, my dear air element, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, how are you all? How are you all doing? So guys, in this reading we are going to see about your love reading for the August mid-month to August end of the month, like how it will be goes, and at the end of the reading we can see about your person's channel or messages as well. Okay, so if at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please give your support, please do subscribe, because your each and every person subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and as well as it will definitely help, and as well as it will definitely help to improve this channel as well. So let's see about your reading. Let's start the reading now for my dear element, like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow, what is going on here? There is a lot of jumping cards. What is happening to my dear air element? I think in your career as well, there is some kind of a master planning and master gaming is going on here, and as well as when I look into your love reading as well, the same energy. What is happening to the air element? Your energy is be like a boost up or what? Yeah, that shoulder crying over you. So what are the days we get a card like crying over you? So first card we get hooked, second card we get legal issues, grudge holder, fishing for comments for the proof. Okay, let me clarify. Yes, talking shit, girl fight in their head. Okay, so let me clarify this crying over you card as well. Fake smiles, unbothered in shit. Okay, so guys, for the air element, I can see that there is some kind of a chances that there may be some kind of a third person influence, or somebody is there to manipulate your person as well. Okay, some kind of a bad spell work kind of a stuff, or something be like a very bad energy I can feel from your person and whoever you are dealing with. Okay, so right now this person has been like very stuck. They don't know what to be do right now. Could be you maybe deal with the same air element like a Libra, or else you maybe deal with any kind of an fire element like an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and I can see the water element as well, Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So guys, overall I can see that there may be some kind of a chances that your person has been manipulated you in some other way, or else any other person, any other third party have been manipulated your person in some other way. I can see the two energies here. So the one energy is be like other person have been involved in your relationship, they have been manipulated your person, they have been triggered your person, so that your person have been triggered you. Okay, so that your person may also be triggered you. That energy I can see here. Okay, so that's the reason this person knows that this person have been understand that what is happening here, because there may be some kind of a chances that those third party may have some kind of a proof over you that because of some kind of your behavior, but they have been portrayed them in a wrong way. They have been portrayed those kind of stuff in a wrong way towards your person. That's why they have been triggered you. Your person have been triggered you. Okay, so again I can see that yeah, with the talking shirt I can again see that there is a lot of love energies here. Your person have a lot of emotions, there is a lot of love energy, but somebody is there to be ruin this connection overall. They are not wanting to grow, they are not wanting to see this connection to be have a good growth or something like that. I can see for some kind of a specific kind of a people, I can see that your person's status could be good, better than you. For some kind of a people, a very specific message I can get that your person's status could be better than you. So that's the reason these this third party energy are trying to ruin your connections in an earlier stage. Okay, in the past. They may be show some kind of an proof over you. They have been shown some proof over you, and they have treated and they have manipulated, they have triggered your person in a very wrong way, that you are not a right person to them. So now your person is be like regret on those stuff. Again you can see that crying over you, and again in their head. So the both energies be like same here. Okay, so your person is be like very much stuck. They are feeling very much overthinking. They know that this third party, this third person have been triggered them in a wrong way, and they are keeping an eye on you. They are watching you. They are watching you from afar. Your person is not trying to connect right now. They are dealing with the sheds, the shed with which the people have been triggered them in a wrong way. The sheds, because I can see for some kind of a people, it could be their family members too. If you're in a marriage kind of a relationship, it is there any kind of a divorce kind of a situation progress has been happening in the past. So right now your person is trying to understand that their family member is be like a one culprit for them. Okay, so they are right now, they are understanding the third party. Right now they are understanding that who have been disturbed this connection, who have been manipulated this connection. Okay, so overall this person energy is be like very much drained. At the same time I can feel that you also missing your person. You also want to be current with your person. You want to have a healthy relationship with your person. You want to take some kind of an action in your way. Maybe you maybe feel tired and exhausted. You maybe think that better I can go and reach out to them, better I can go and communicate with them. Like that energy I can see from your end. So what I can say that yes, if at all you want to communicate with your person, you can go and communicate, because again I can see that this person is fighting with the third party. This person is not trying to come and communicate with you. They don't have that much energy. They are be like very much sad. They are be like very much upset, and they don't have any kind of a power to communicate with you. Okay, they are feeling very much blocked. They are feeling very much blocked. They are feeling very much stuck with this energy. I don't think so that your person will come and communicate or will come and talk with you. So overall, if at all you are wishing to talk with your person, you can go and communicate to end this to end this back and forth energy, and also to end this misunderstanding between you and your person. Okay, so if at all you guys know that any third person have been involved in your connection, either it could be their family, their own family members, or anybody, whoever it could be, like a friends or family members, whoever it could be. So right now your person have been understand that who is the culprit, who is the main culprit here. They know that you are a right for them. Okay, so let's see about your person channel messages. Let's see about their deep feelings towards you, their deep intentions and feelings towards you for the air element. So all I can see some kind of an very much sad or upset energy. I can feel that upset energy from your person, and they are feeling very much blocked, and they are feeling very much stuck. They don't know what to do. I can't imagine a minute without you. See that. So you can guess what I'm going to say. Yes, of course you know that what is going to be happen here. Okay, so I hope that you maybe have some kind of a strong intuition power as well, so that your person knows that either your person may telepathically connected with you, or some kind of a person you accept and respect my limitations. See this. So they know that you have been given them a space, you have been respect them in the right way, but somehow because of third persons, because of other persons influence, your person have been mistreat you in a wrong way. They know that. Okay, so next we get you make my fears melt away. So again, yeah, you are gaining their trust, but they are not showing it to you in upfront. I feel comfortable in your arms again. So there is some kind of a, this person is feeling, this person is want to end up this distance from between you and between them as well. Okay, so they want to end up this distance between you and them, and at the same time I can see that they want to have a like a heart-to-heart conversation. They want to spend some kind of good time with you. They want to be very closer towards you, because they're just feeling that like having some kind of a close relationship with you will definitely heal them, and it will definitely heal you as well. It will try to improve your connections in a very better way. So they want to have some kind of a very close kind of relationship with you, very romantic connections with you. That energy I can see here. Okay, either you and your person could be a good dancer. I don't know, I'm channeling that message as well. So overall I can see that they want to be like yeah, again this energy, the same energy, like you are honest with me, so it's be like a same energy here. Okay, so they want to disconnect with this world. They want to have some kind of a good communications with you. again. So with the, like, it is be like similar to the same energy, the same picture in this card. Okay, again here is the same picture in this card. So it's be like a mirror reflection for them. They are trying to understand your connection now. They are trying to understand that you are be like very very genuine to them. Okay, so right, they want to face you, they want to see like face to face, yeah, they want to see you face to face. They want to have a good connection with you. They want to have some kind of a quality time with you. That's what I can see there. They want to come closer with you, but still if your person is holding on. So if at all you want to communicate with your person, yes, you can go and communicate. So these are the energy I can see for the air element, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I hope it will be resting with you. I hope it will give you some kind of a clarity. Okay, so your person is really very innocent, guys. Your person is really very very innocent. So these are the energy. You may be thinking that your person is be like very vulnerable, but they are not. They are be like very innocent. People are taking advantages over your person. That energy I can see from your person. And okay, so these are the messages I can see from your person, and I hope it could be present with you. I hope it could be bring some kind of a clarity. So in the next reading we can see about your person current feelings and their channel message as well. So guys, if at all like you like my channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. If at all your friends and followers may love tarot, please do recommend channel to them, so that they can also get some kind of a clarity, so that they can also get some kind of a guidance. So guys, if at all you are you need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. Okay, so stay tuned for the next reading. And again I want to repeat the same thing. If you are looking at my channel for the very first time, please give your support. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. Your each and every subscription definitely motivates me a lot, and as well as it definitely helps to grow this channel as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.